Kranium tries to shoot his shot at Shaniel Muir.
You publicly forward upon the live for what? For do what?
To say that if it ain't you, ain't nobody else.
To say what?
If it ain't you, it's nobody else.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man, a pushing at the traffic.
Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. Happy New Year to everyone out there. Hope everybody 2021 start good. So people, we are talking about Shaniel Muir and Kranium today, right? So when you know say Shaniel Muir, I will drop a brand new music video. Or if you never know, no, right? I'ma just see her on live at 12 o'clock. Me I do that video, yeah? You see me? And she say that she not see it yet, but it a forward, right? So it's a song we call Toxic with her and Daddy One, right? And she had dropped the music video to the people. But last night, that thing gone, you see me, I say, for kick off the 2021. You see me? So Shaniel Muir upon live and Kranium joined the live. And you know, I don't know the boss that beat him white rum still, but the boss decides I'm going to give Shaniel Muir a talk and spill him feelings. People, some have the video phone, some want to watch. And with me, I go ask you want to think, you know what I mean? I want to put in the comment section and tell me what to think. So I'm going to play the video for now, you know what I mean? Then I go forward and talk in the middle and then I play the rest of it and we check out. So here goes the first part of the video.
Then put it there, Rob.
Huh?
I want them put it there, Rob, today.
Ain't nothing in my room. Why? Not tell the truth.
Don't stop. So you publicly came on the live to say what? So you're publicly forward upon the live for what? For do what?
To say that if it ain't you, ain't nobody else.
For say what?
If it ain't you, it's nobody else.
You're brave, though.
It's not bravery.
It's brave. Isn't it courage? It doesn't take courage to do that?
Do you consider courage or bravery?
It's courage. It takes courage to do that, along with maybe other factors.
I don't think so. I don't think that has anything to do with it. I think it all has to do with honesty and setting your soul free. Don't walk with the baggage, you know. Just let after weight the half of your shoulder and just get it out.
Okay.
You know, I saw you the other day.
You saw me the other day?
Yeah, I did. I was in Kingston. I saw you walking out of a store, and I said, "Yo, this is the right girl for me right now."
Which store you see me I work with her?
We now give a free promotion. If it have nothing to do with you, I don't need to do a free promotion for you.
No, but no. Which store? Which store you see me I work with her?
You walking out of a specific store. I won't say what it is, but from a see I walk past me, I say, yeah. You never hear the song, My God is an awesome God, we praise. You heard the song before? Okay, well, when you see it, that's the first thing that comes to my mind.
Okay.
And the greatest thing about it, 15 years from now, people are going to say, yo, I witnessed that shit. I never know say love can last that long.
No, sir.
But honestly, I know. Some ask weren't you in a store coming out in Kingston where you did a makeup store? Like 6 days ago, 7 days ago.
I did do my makeup.
So when I think people she a bite or not, some of the people them did say she a blushing at the comment section, you know what I mean? Others are say, you know, give him a chance. People are say all kind of thing. The man them a say, yo, allow my girl alone. I be hear that me I say, see me. So more I know one thing people from wanna see and the people them where did actually dip on the live last night wanna think. Like one of the things say Shaniel Muir feed into where Kranium I say, I wanna think say Kranium need to step up him thing and go harder. Because I remember say Shaniel Muir say top girl don't need boyfriend, you know. You hear me I say? I remember say this a man I say nobody nothing know. So me I just play the negative part for now, me gonna hear what I go and here goes.
And like I think you should put back the yellow ear in your head, like a yellow ear there.
You like the yellow hair?
I do a lot.
Okay. Yo, the comment them are Yo, the comment them are kill me.
What happened? Why you nervous? You scared of people?
The comment them are kill me.
You afraid of people?
Yo, them people that you see though.
What am I say?
Man, I tell a lie. You're goodly. I get couple girl over here, so right though. You're gonna check your DM, man.
If it's not you in my DM, I don't want to see nobody in my DM.
I'm not gonna be in a DM. Check your DM.
No, if it's not you in my DM, I don't want to see it.
If I'm not in your DM, you don't want to see it? Why? Why?
Because only you spark my interest at this moment.
So what you want me for?
Why I want you?
Yeah, why do you want me?
Why wouldn't I want you?
Why do you want me? What is your reason?
What is my reason?
What
What is my reason?
She's crazy. Yeah, what is the reason?
I reach a point in my life where I know what a bright future look like.
What is it?
I reach a point in my life where I know what a bright future look like.
And I look like a bright future to you?
Headlight.
No, I'm asking. I'm just
no,
asking.
you pass bright. Did I headlight right now?
Brighter than a headlight?
Brighter than a headlight, darling.
Like the stadium light them over the stadium.
That's not bright enough. Heaven gates.
Heaven gates. Heaven gates.
Give me the spot.
That bright body, no?
Very bright.
That bright. The lyrics.
You say what?
Lyrics?
Which is lyrics? No matter. It says speak the truth so your heart can be free, you know? So I'm speaking the truth.
So you say you have to let your heart free before 2021.
Yeah, I forget it. Oh, you have to speak your mind. You have to be honest. You have to be bold and upfront with the thing. That's from a little point, I can tell you, sir. That thing ain't gonna normal, you know?
What abnormal about it?
Some people, dancehall next power couple Shaniel, Muir and Kranium. You see me, 2021. Remember, I know now already have the couples them out there now. Now have Jada Kingdom and Verse. You see me, both of them are artists. You have Spice and Rasta, even though Rasta are artists. You see me, I say, you have Shensia and, sorry, that is not a couple, my bad. You see me, but people, you know what I say, when they get to the comment section. But me know about that thing. Seeing that was a joke about the Shenzia thing though. Please don't take it personal. Right? But, you know, if it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the Dancehall IG family. To all my longtime subscribers, thank you for being here. Keep on liking, sharing, and commenting now. Big up everybody again. Have a wonderful new year. You see me, I say, I want to stay safe out there and do the right thing. See me, I say, I wish everybody blessings and prosperity for 2021. So I want to big up on yourself. I'm out.
We got that one in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yadi!